Hello everyone. In this video we are going to look at like terms. The first thing you need to be able to do is to identify what are like terms. Now what we can see is a list of numbers and variables, and some of the variables have got exponents. Now it's important for you to know that numbers without a variable are all like terms. If they have a variable like the letter A, they are similar. But if they have a square, they are not the same. So 7a is not a like term to 7a squared. The exponent on the variable determines whether or not it is a like term. So our first question gives us 5a, t over 2, 3y squared, 7t, x squared, 4z, k, 4.5y squared, 2t, and 2 over 3a. If we start with a, and then I circle 5a in red, and I'm going to look for more letters of a to the power of 1. So my very last term is 2 over 3a to the power of 1. Those are like terms. Next up, I'm going to look at the letter t. So t over 2 is t to the power of 1, 7t to the power of 1, and I've got 2t to the power of 1. Those three are like terms. Next, I'm going to look at y squared. So I've got 3y squared, x squared, z, k, 4.5, 2y squared. Now if I look at my remaining ones, x squared, 4z, and k, none of them are like terms. Therefore, this is the final answer to this question. This is an explanation as to how we simplify. So when we are given like terms, in our instance here, we are given 4 x values, and they give us a pictorial representation where we've got 4 little cylinders equaling to x each. We add that to 5x, and altogether we've got 9x. So what happens is that our variable x stays the same, but we add the coefficients. So we add 4 plus 5, which gives us to 9x. Here's a question that says 7x plus 2x equals, remember we're simplifying. So because my coefficients are the same, they are like terms. And I am going to add my like terms. So 7 plus 2 is 9, and x stays the same. On my second question, I've got 5x cubed plus 3y plus 7x cubed minus 2y minus 4x squared. The first thing that I need to do is I need to group my like terms. So in order to do that, I'm going to say this equation equals, or the expression equals, and I'm going to start with x cubed. So in a bracket, 5x cubed plus my next x cubed, 7x cubed, and those are all of them. I'm going to close my bracket. Next up, I'm going to do 3y. So I'm adding, open bracket, 3y, and that's another y, minus 2y, close bracket. And therefore I've done this and that one, this one and that one. This one is the one that remains, minus 4x squared. Notice that all of my variables, all 5 of them are there, all 5 terms. Now I'm going to add or subtract. So in my first bracket, 5 plus 7 gives me 12x cubed, plus in my second bracket, 3y minus 2y gives me 1y, and then I put everything that's not in brackets, and that's my final answer. In example number 3, I have got 2 open bracket a plus 2a squared close bracket plus 2b. Now in order to simplify, I need to multiply this 2 into the bracket, and this is called the distributive property. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply that 2 in. 2 times a is 2a, and 2 times 2a squared is 4a squared, plus 2b. Now I check for like terms, a to the power of 1, a to the power of 2, b. No like terms, this is my final answer. Guided practice. For guided practice, I want you to try the examples on your own. Pause the video, try to answer it, and then come back and check your answers next to mine. Identify the like terms in each. So what we're going to do is we're going to circle them in different colors. And this is the answer for the first two questions. Simplify and justify your steps using the commutative, associative, and distributive properties when necessary. Okay, let's do question 3. Pause the video, do all 3 questions, and then come back and check the answers. And this is the answer for question 3, 4, and 5. Question 6. Write an expression for the perimeter of a rectangle, then simplify the expression. Now you need to know that perimeter is all the sides added, so it's side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4, and you need to decide which one is side 1. So let's start there, that's side 1, and this is side 2, side 3, and side 4. So I'm going to say 5n plus 6b plus 5n plus 6b. Now pause the video, try it on your own, and then come back and see if you have got the same answer as me. And that's the final answer for this question. Independent practice we will do in class together, and I will leave you a link with the answers below. Have a good day. Thank you very much.